Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today's tutorial is going to be super simple and quick. We're drawing the adorable Little Pilgrim, also known as Pilby, from Hollow Knight Silksong. Are you new here? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start drawing together. As always, we begin with the eyes. Two simple vertical oval shapes, evenly spaced, very minimal and clean. Even though the design is simple, the eyes are extremely expressive, and they're the only facial features. No ears, no nose, no mouth. And remember, if any step feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. Now we draw the head, which blends almost directly into the body, forming a soft bean-like shape. At the top, we add that cute little horn-like point, gently curved and leaning slightly backward. Little Pilgrim appears in early promotional material for Hollow Knight Silksong. He's one of the small NPCs seen in Farloom, the new kingdom featured in Silksong. Silksong is the sequel to the critically acclaimed game Hollow Knight. Unlike the first game, Silksong stars Hornet as the playable character. Now let's draw his clothing, which looks like a mantle or cloak wrapping around his small body. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. You can also check out the other Hollow Knight characters we've already drawn. Just click the card above to see the full playlist. And tell me in the comments which character should we draw next. On his back, we can see a rounded shape that resembles either a small backpack or possibly part of his shell. The game hasn't clearly identified it, which adds to the mystery. The world of Hollow Knight is entirely insect-inspired. Pay attention to the bottom edge of the cloak. The hem has pointed, slightly worn shapes, giving it a rough, tattered feel. Underneath the cloak, the body remains compact and rounded, keeping that sturdy little silhouette. NPC designs in the series are known for their simplicity and strong silhouettes. Now draw the small curved legs, positioned as if he's calmly sitting on the ground. Many characters in Hollow Knight communicate with minimal dialogue, relying heavily on visual storytelling. Team Cherry, the developers, are an independent Australian studio. Silksong introduces new regions, enemies, and quest systems compared to the original game. The Kingdom of Farloom is described as a land ruled by silk and song. Like many Hollow Knight NPCs, Pilby's full story remains mysterious until the game's full release. For colors, we mainly use soft cream tones for the head and a deep reddish magenta for the cloak. Pretty obvious, right? But feel free to color him however you like and create your own version. And here's our Little Pilby, drawn in the original Silksong style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.